My name is Laura Thompson, and I'm going to talk about the Krebs cycle. Learning the Krebs cycle can be difficult. This TikTok will sum up how most people feel when learning the Krebs cycle. It can be difficult to learn because it also goes by different names, which can be confusing. It's also known as the TCA cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. However, it can be learned when broken down into smaller parts. Imagine our cells as tiny powerhouses that need energy to keep us going. Just like cars need fuel, our cells need energy to function properly. And that's where the Krebs cycle comes in. Think of it as an energy factory inside our cells. The star employee is glucose, which comes from the food we eat. Glucose enters the cells and goes through a series of transformations to release its energy. This all takes place in the mitochondria, which is the cell energy factory. Then the molecules perform a type of choreographed dance routine. Acetyl-CoA kickstarts the dance. The molecules start changing, and with each step they release energy. The beauty of the dance is that it generates energy from ATP. ATP is like a tiny battery that cells use to power themselves. And then they send out that power to various activities. The Krebs cycle is smart. It's not just about energy production. It also recycles certain molecules like NAD+ and FAD, which are helpers in the energy process. These molecules get transformed and sent back into the cycle to keep things running smoothly. Just like any factory, the Krebs cycle also produces waste in the form of carbon dioxide. When we exhale carbon dioxide when we breathe, it's a result of the cycle. The cycle goes through several transformations using substrates, which are easy to remember using a simple mnemonic device. Please, actually, can I keep selling socks for money, officer? It takes acetyl-CoA and cycles it through the high-energy factory. The substrates are pyruvate, acetyl-CoA, citrate, isocitrate, alpha-ketoglutarate, succinyl-CoA, succinate, fumarate, malate, and oxaloacetate. To help the substrates, the Krebs cycle is catalyzed by enzymes. The enzyme's mnemonic phrase is corrupt anti-intelligent agent selling secrets for money. The enzymes are citrate synthase, aconitase, isocitrate dehydrogenase, alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, succinyl-CoA synthase, succinate dehydrogenase, fumarase, and malate dehydrogenase. The cycle produces several products. Those products are 4 carbon dioxide, 2 ATP, 2 FADH, and 6 NADH. Some fun facts about the Krebs cycle. Pyruvate is the end product of glycolysis, or it's made from fatty acid through beta oxidation. Pyruvate doesn't start ready for the Krebs cycle. It needs to get oxidized first. The prep step of pyruvate oxidation is that it loses a carbon and NAD+ goes to NADH. Once you have acetyl-CoA, you're ready for the Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle occurs twice per glucose molecule. Now that you know a bit more about the Krebs cycle, I hope it's easier to remember.